everyone, welcome to channel Myra. Today we are going to watch the sea lion show. But before that, have you watched the previous video which I shared? I shared you that I will share you this video. So this is called the sea lion show, and it's black, okay, and it could also perform many tricks, and it's a fun trick. And do you know what's his name? His name is Pedro. Okay, and you know sea lions can perform 50 years in the wild. Did he do the cool trick just now? So what about his diet? Diet means what he eats. He eats squid, fish mainly, that means most of the time, sometimes clams. If you go too far, you cannot hear the voice because we are too far from it. But if you go near the water, the cold water is over there. Look at the people around. And if you go near, it will suddenly do something. He'll splash in the water, he will go and swim, and then he's mainly splash water on you because he's a very naughty. Okay? So can you watch it? So please hope you watch it and enjoy. Look at this ball. It's a yellow ball over there. Ooh. But do you know California sea lions? They are very dangerous and they can attack people. Unlike the other sea lions, they don't attack people. They are very friendly except for the Californian ones. They don't attack humans. We are telling you. Now can you see? It's taking plastic and he's sharing everyone how to recycle. So he's telling that you cannot throw the plastic inside the water. If you throw the plastic inside the water, then the animals doesn't know is it a food or a plastic. So it will die. So it gets stuck in the body. So make sure you don't litter, okay? This is a very serious thing. And don't do it to animals or the waters. You say, you can see the water is clear. You say, yes, this water is clear. But in reality, it is not. Maybe some animals are inside. So don't ever litter in water. And what about swimming? Yeah, some people might accidentally go deep down and swallow it, so they'll die. So make sure not to do that, okay? People who are in the front row all get the water. Can you see? That's splashing everywhere. Can you see? He is showing the trick that they are a fast swimmer. Can you see? He finds it very easy. He's not on a people, he's on a rock. He's on a rock. Okay? Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. And see my pictures. This is not real, okay? Bye-bye.